Presenting the revolutionary BS6 school bus Mitra from Ashok Leyland, the world's third largest and India's #1 bus manufacturer. Mitra, the most reliable friend for children, parents, school management, bus operators and contractors, is now available in the BS6 Avatar, powered by the revolutionary iGen 6 technology. Powered by the advanced and proven ZD30 engine with Japanese technology. The Mitra school bus gives best-in-class fuel efficiency and superior all-round performance with class-leading safety, comfort and reliability, which ensures better returns on investment. Mitra school bus is manufactured in the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility of Ashok Leyland at Hosur, Tamil Nadu. The BS6 Mitra school bus, powered by the revolutionary iGen 6 technology, gives you 6 power-packed advantages. Technology advantage, mileage advantage, power advantage, safety advantage, comfort advantage and Bharosa advantage. Technology advantage. It brings to the Indian customer the latest LCV bus technology from Europe and Japan. The BS6 Mitra school bus uses state-of-the-art technology to ensure a safe ride for children, while offering superior comfort and class-leading fuel efficiency. The Mitra BS6 school bus comes with advanced selective catalytic reduction technology, which ensures cleaner and greener performance. Zyada mileage. The Mitra school bus is powered by the advanced Japanese ZD30 common rail diesel engine. It comes with the highly efficient Bosch 2.2 CRI common rail system with advanced direct injection, which ensures superior fuel efficiency. The ZD30 engine ensures superior mileage, at least 10% more. Zyada power. The ZD30 delivers best-in-class power of 140 HP power and torque of 360 Nm. The flat torque curve over wide engine RPM means lesser gear shift in city and heavy traffic conditions. It also comes with a 5-speed gearbox with dual synchro cones. It comes with 310 mm bigger clutch. It ensures superior braking with its LCRV, load conscious regulating valve system. It comes with a 90-liter diesel tank. The power-packed features of the Mitra school bus ensure a power-packed performance. Zyada safety. Safety is taken to a whole new level with the Mitra school bus. Every Mitra school bus is designed keeping in mind the safety and comfort of its young travelers. It is child safe certified. It is 100% rollover compliant and conforms to the latest bus body codes AIS 052, AIS 153 and AIS 063. The sturdy body cage design with structural reinforcements ensures complete protection for all its passengers always. Its inbuilt ABS eliminates the chances of drifting off when taking sharp turns, ensuring complete control in the driver's hand. Pre-fitted with an electronic speed controller, the Mitra school bus keeps parents tension-free from the fear of overspeeding. Conforming to international safety standards, the Mitra school bus comes with a side emergency exit and an optional rear emergency to allow easy evacuation during critical situations. Child safety extends to the interiors of the Mitra school bus with secure seats, with seat belts in the front row and protective shin guards and grab handles on every seat. The anti-skid flooring and stanchion pipes ensure that walking inside the bus is always safe. It also comes ready with provision for fire detection and suppression system (FDSS) and a vehicle tracking system with panic button. So be at peace always, knowing that your loved ones are taken care of. Mitra is also available in double door option as per regulation of some states. Zyada comfort. Mitra comes with front and rear parabolic suspension system, a first-in-class offering which ensures class-leading comfort irrespective of road conditions. Designed for children's ease, the Mitra comes with a low-entry retractable footstep and a grab rail on the passenger door to allow for easy boarding and deboarding. With 2200 mm wide body, Mitra comes with wider gangway for easy movement of children inside the bus. For maximum convenience, ample storage spaces are available below the seats and on the spacious hat racks lining the interiors. Mitra's stylish seats are ergonomically designed and offer maximum ride comfort. The individual grab handles, armrests and bottle holders ensure convenience to every child on board. Moreover, with its low NVH characteristics, the Mitra offers one of the most comfortable, smooth and quieter ride experiences in its class. The Mitra school bus also comes with an optional factory-fitted AC variant. The Mitra makes driving a pleasure, irrespective of the drive conditions, making it a true driver's delight. Mitra's ergonomically designed driving area with guardrails provides a consolidated and well-equipped workspace for the driver, where everything remains within reach. Its ergonomically designed stylish dashboard lends easy access to all controls, while the power steering with tilt adjustment ensures a comfortable and controlled driving experience. The driving area of the Mitra is further augmented with a large windshield and a peep window for better visibility, 2 USB ports for mobile charging and provisions for GPS, music system and reverse camera for additional convenience. Zyada Bharosa. The Mitra school bus comes with complete peace of mind with its 3-year or 3 lakh kilometer warranty. Ashok Leyland Mitra is backed by excellent after-sales support with service vans for on-site service, especially to cater to the needs of schools even on Sundays and holidays. This ensures complete peace of mind for schools and operators. The Mitra school bus is available in various seating configurations and layouts, starting from 22 plus assistant plus driver to right up to 45 plus assistant plus driver seating configurations. With both AC and non-AC variants, it gives you the flexibility to choose. The Mitra school bus ensures that your child gets a ride from the future and makes the ride to school and back a comfortable, fun and safe one, and adds business value to schools and bus operators by earning more revenue per seat.